Okay, so in order to make sure that you see what to do after you make your screencastify video, I'm using a different recording tool to show you. So when you press the end recording button, it's going to bring you to this page. And what's really cool is that because this is a Google extension, everything is linked to Google accounts. So you can copy a shareable link and kind of share it. You can share it to Google Classroom. So if you were to do that, it's going to take you right to your Google Classroom. You can create an assignment, ask a question, make an announcement, create material, just as if you were making any other thing. So say I was creating I'm asking a question. This would then be sent. You would ask the question, and did you so my question for the class would be, did you understand how to start using screencastify? I can make it a short answer, multiple choice, yes, no. And this can be a great way in general to ask your class questions. To answer no, I didn't understand, you can choose how you want it to be, how you would like it to be. If you want it to be points, they have to answer it, and then you can ask it. And that's posted onto the Google Classroom. So I'll show you, I have a fake account. It shows up that I asked a question, did you understand? They would go to the assignment. Would have to go on through students, but they would be able to watch the video and continue to answer the question. As from the teacher's perspective is what we're looking at now, your students would watch the video and then they would answer the question. If they understood it, you could see how many people said yes and then how many people said no. You don't always have to create a video that's asking a question. You could publish also to a YouTube. So I have a YouTube account with my Gmail. I would just publish it to YouTube and then maybe copy the link and put it in my Google Classroom or wherever I wanted to post it. You can also just simply download the video and, again, add it as an attachment. There's so many different ways that are pretty simple. This is all that you can do with the free version, but it's really helpful to use while working with PowerPoints, Google Slides, Google Drawings, anything that you're trying to actively share with the class. So if you have any questions, let me know. I hope this was really helpful.